in this video we are going to draw multiple rectangles, right, with increasing size. Now you are very familiar with these commands, I no need to explain now. See this for loop, for I is equal 1 to 100, step 5, right? Now you are familiar with this as well. Graphic windows, draw rectangle. We know this is the starting point of the rectangle, this will be the length, this will be the height. Now starting 100 minus 1, first here I is equal 1, so 100 minus 1 mean it is 99. So starting point x is 99, y is 99. We know the starting point is normally here, no, this corner. So the 99 mean somewhere in the middle. Why? Here the width is 200, height is 200. So 99 means starting actually in the middle of, center of this, okay, the box, right, center of the window, and it will be I is 1 or 2 by 2 box, 2 by 2. Then the next I increase, right, then actually the length will be 98. No, why? Clearly see here, step 5. Step 5 mean I will be increased by 5, no? Then this will be reduced by 5. Then it will be 95, 95. Little higher, and 10 by 10 box. Now the picture is very clear. Starting from the center, it will draw box and go like this, right? We can apply the command and see. Here the center, we given the starting point as 99, the width 2 by 2, then starting point will be here. Why? Next time the starting point is like something 95, 95, the next time it is 90, 90, like 85, 85. Likewise finally it goes here. Clear? So this is actually we have given what to 100, no, here the 100, so here little less than the 100, the final box, it will be drawn to this width and this height, because it is very clear this get increased, no, finally the final value almost it is filled like this. Now we can just manipulate it and see. Now if let's say we change the steps to 10, right? Now increase by 10. First value will be 1 and the next value will be then 10, then it will be reduced by 10, and this will be multiplied by 10 into 2, right? Then we can see here the output. Now you should be able to understand the difference. Now see, not step 5 mean very closer to each other, no? Now step 10, and the drawn boxes are also lesser than previously drawn, but the width size all same. Only thing is the previously drawn certain boxes are here omitted. Immediately jump to 10 and draw here. Now even if you make 20, the box is running. Here see, the starting point is this, what is the value? $99.99. So here the x is 99, y is 99. Clear? Then the length, sorry, the starting point is here. This is the ending point. The starting point is here. X is 99, y 99 means not closer to the starting point, no, right? Little far away from the starting point. Here, x from here to here, x 99 and y 99. Then 2 by 2, it will draw this box. So once you increase the length, right, this is actually previously used value. Now we are using this as 10. Now we are using this as 10, not 5, right? This as 10. This is the original command. So now we made this as 10. Then what will happen? I become 10 and 100 minus 10 will be 90. This also will be 90. Then x 90, right? X 90, y 90. Then the box length will be 20 by 20. Likewise it goes. Finally it comes to this value. Then I become 100 and stop. Right, that should be very clear right now, because 20 not 10, we use 20. That's what this get reduced, right? 20, sorry, not 10. So then we can clearly understand starting 1, then the next door it will be 20, then 40, then 60, then 80, then 100, right? Then it will stop, right? That the logic should be very clear, right? You should be able to manipulate using certain values and why this output is given, not just the output. Right now you have learned everything about graphic windows, and next video I'll be explaining how we can answer questions, what are the main thing we should know, right? When you answer in the question, it is not the format, what type of the paper you are getting, nothing. Once you learn the basic with clear understanding, even if you get totally different format, we can definitely answer, right? So the next video I'll be just explain how to answer questions. So we need to pay attention, concentrate, and you have the book also with you, right? After learning each and every topic, immediately you can go to those questions and see whether you can answer. That is very important. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.